everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, or welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, because I'm the flower that blooms at night. And happy Chinese New Year! 2019 is the year of the pig, so I thought it was only fitting to do some form of, pig-related transformation on my channel. So, I've become the grand high bitch herself, Miss Piggy. I absolutely love the Muppets, and Miss Piggy has always been, such, an inspiration for me and, my drag persona. So, I thought it was about time that I became her on my channel. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from me. And don't forget to subscribe to a bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time. But expect lots of bonus days since February is the month of love, sex, and fantasy. So I have lots of looks planned. I really hope you guys enjoy this transformation, and thanks for watching. So I'm going to be starting this look off with my base already done. I will leave my full coverage highlight and contour routine in the description box down below. But let's just jump straight into the eyes. So for the eyes, I wanted a very, very rounded kind of eye shape and not my usual winged out draggy look. So I first just initially took the shade Dolly Pop from Sugar Pill, and I just worked that in kind of like a rainbow shape, like very up, down, round, and kind of quite high up on the central portion of my crease. And then I deepened it with a little bit of this neon pink from the Jeffree Star Beauty Killer palette. But pretty much overall, I just wanted full neon pink pigment, not necessarily blended out, and very rounded. And then just quickly highlighted my brow bone. I do later go over it with Taco from Sugar Pill to increase the contrast. And then to make that kind of carved out central eyelid shape, I literally just took a little bit of concealer onto the middle of my eye, kind of blinked so it imprinted to the highest point it would kind of get to, and then drew around it. So pretty much did the same on both eyes kind of evenly, just to make them look nice and round and doll-like-ish. I then just set it down with a matte white eyeshadow from Sugar Pill called Taco, and then threw on some quick winged liner. I didn't want it to look too elongated, and then I also deepened the kind of the rounder part of my crease with a little bit of purple eyeshadow, but I guess it worked and fit the bill. From here, I smoked out my lower lash line with Dolly Pop from Sugar Pill, and then highlighted my inner corners with Taco and a little bit onto the eyelid shape as well, just because I thought it was looking a little bit flat, so I highlighted it again as well as my brow bone, and then heavily contoured using my Makeup Revolution highlight and contour kit, and I really focused it onto the underside of my nose to make it look a little bit more pig-like. For blush, I used Dolly Pop from Sugar Pill again. It's a very intense pink blush, but I thought it was very fitting for kind of the look I was going for. And then for the start of the show, this is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, the Year of the Pig highlighter limited edition, and it's so pretty. It's a little bit soft and subtle, but still pretty. From here, I just heavily overlined my lips with Milani's Natural Lip Liner and filled in with Flesh Pop from MAC. And then, yeah, that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this transformation, and thanks for watching.